Hello team, welcome to Studio-214. I'm Greg. Today's video is sponsored. That doesn't mean it's paid for, it just means that I got this here microphone for free. I put it through its paces and give you my honest opinion. If it's cool, I'll tell you, and if it sucks, I'll tell you why it sucks. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump into this review. That's what's happening today on Studio-214. Oh, and by the way, all the voiceover parts are recorded with the K052, as well as the live instruments for the song. Y'all enjoy now. Well, you know, my name is Gregory, and I like to do drawings and paintings and cooking and music and tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Ah, yes, minding my own business. When? Who could this be? Ah. Okay, let's get to this unboxing. So, this came today. Outstanding. Let's take a look. Okay. Some styrofoam. Nice little box. A little pamphlet. Let's see. Oh, okay. Alright, you know what? It's not written too bad. Please wait for a few secs while first time operation, since driver microphone takes time to automatically install. Okay, not too bad. There may be no pop-up window or message though. After installation, you can test the mic by speaking to it. If the mic picks up no sound, please follow procedures below. And there's nothing below. But that's alright, just flip it over. There it goes. Alright, let's take a look inside. Alright, just the microphone. Notice the gooseneck. Awesome. First off, this microphone is inexpensive. It comes from Amazon at just under 30 bucks. It's USB, so it plugs right in and you are ready to go, which is cool. Because if you're trying to do things as inexpensive as possible, a USB mic is a great option. It's handsome, with faux carbon fiber and a weighted bottom so it won't tip over. Pretty simple, guys. Pretty simple setup. Gooseneck, mute button, volume, USB. But why would you want a USB microphone like this in this day and age? What is it even good for? It would make a good prop. Let's ride! Maybe a back scratcher. I guess that's why it's called a gooseneck. Jen! Maybe you need to communicate and mute your signal so that it won't be overheard by a third party in an alternate location. I'm sorry, sir. For the experiment to continue, I'm gonna need you to throw that switch. I'm sorry, that was the incorrect answer. That was other things. Unrelated to this experiment. Throw that switch, please. Wrong answer! I suppose you could always use it to record stuff with. Just in case you were wondering, this is plug and play on a PC. It's also plug and play on iOS. That's right, this thing works on iPads and iPhones. Consider that. So hey team, I was gonna do a shootout, a versus battle between this microphone, the K052, and some other choices, such as the Shure SM57, which is the industry standard, the real workhorse, and this real gem, the PreSonus M7 condenser microphone. These are great microphones, and they make it some great sound. You know what though? This one's pretty good too. So I'm not even going to do a shootout. I'm just going to use this microphone. And the next step that we need for my song that I wrote for this review is some electric guitar. And we're going to use this microphone. So let's go ahead and set it up. Normally what I would do is I'd take the SM57 and put it right up against the speaker grill. However, that's not going to work with this guy. Honestly, I've found that the best thing is about a 4-inch standoff. So that's what we're going to do. Find the center right there and put this bad boy we're good. That should do nicely. If not, I'll just move it. No, I'm done. The one issue I have with this microphone is the mute button. Here, check it out. It makes an audible sound when engaged and when taken off. That's no good. Of course, you could always go back and edit the recording, but that's tedious. I will let the company know, and they will promptly disregard everything I say. That being said, this ain't a bad little guy, and if you're strapped for cash, man, times is tough these days, then this might be a good option to get you started. The price is certainly right.